In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a payment link in HubSpot. This is a crucial skill for anyone looking to streamline their sales process and facilitate efficient transactions directly through the HubSpot platform. So let's dive in and walk through the steps together. First, we'll begin by navigating to the trial guide. This is where the magic starts, as it's your entry point into setting up payment processes within HubSpot's robust system. Once there, your next step is to locate and click on the Commerce section. Commerce is where you'll handle anything related to your transactions, payments, and product offerings. After entering the Commerce section, you'll need to find the Payment Links tab. Clicking on Payment Links opens up the possibility of creating personalized links that can be shared with customers for payments. This feature is tremendously helpful for customizing the transaction experience to your specific business needs. Once you're in the Payment Links section, you'll want to proceed by clicking on Create a Payment Link. This is where the fun begins, creating a customized link tailored to your product or service. The next step involves selecting the Use Blank option. Choosing Use Blank allows you the flexibility to build the payment link from scratch, inputting only the elements that are vital to your particular sales strategy. Moving forward, you'll see an option to select from Product Library. This is a handy feature that lets you choose from the products you've already set up within your HubSpot account. It helps ensure consistency across your offerings and simplifies the process by leveraging your pre-existing product database. Once you have selected the appropriate product by clicking on the Test option, you can then click Add to include it in your payment link. Adding your products at this stage will make sure that they are directly associated with the link you're creating, allowing for seamless payments when the customer makes a purchase. It's time to solidify your creation by clicking on Create. This button finalizes the payment link setup. With this step, your payment link is almost ready to go live, but we have a couple more actions to ensure it's perfectly suited to your needs. The final task is to give your payment link a name, which you'll do by clicking on Payment Link Name. Here you can input a unique and descriptive name. A good naming convention can help you easily identify each link, especially if you have multiple links for different purposes. And there you have it. You now have a freshly created payment link ready to be deployed in your sales operations, helping make transactions smoother for both you and your clients. By following these steps, you can enhance your payment processes within HubSpot, improving efficiency and customer satisfaction. Thank you for watching, and happy selling!